Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I will talk about something that has been causing a lot of debate in the creative world. Will AI like ChatGPT take over copywriting jobs? Are copywriters at risk, or is this just the start of a new creative partnership? Let's see what ChatGPT can actually do. First off, let's put it to the test with a quick prompt. Let me type ChatGPT, write a catchy tagline for a coffee brand that wants to feel adventurous. And here is ChatGPT's response. Not bad, right? It's catchy and hit the adventure vibe. But here's the big question. Does this mean ChatGPT is ready to take over all copywriting jobs out there? Let's break down what AI can do, where it falls short, and why human copywriters are still essential. So ChatGPT is great for generating ideas fast. Imagine you are working on a tight deadline. You type in a few prompts and within seconds ChatGPT gives you tagline, product descriptions or even blog post ideas and even blogs. It's like having an intern who is ready to brainstorm 24 by 7. You are not going to get total creative brilliance every time, but it's something to work with. Let's say we are working on a social media post for a skincare brand. Watch this. ChatGPT, give me a playful Instagram caption for a new hydrating face mask. And here's ChatGPT's response. Not too bad, right? ChatGPT can give you something fun and engaging to kickstart your ideas. And for a lot of us in content creation, this kind of jumpstart is huge for productivity. But here's the flip side. Good copy is not just about filling in the blanks. Human copywriters know how to dig into emotions, understand psychology, and craft messages that resonate with real people on a deeper level. Here's what ChatGPT doesn't quite cut it: human emotion and creativity. Copywriting is a mix of art and science. It's not just about putting words together, it's about making people feel something. Like, think about a campaign that made you stop and think, or maybe even tear up. Copywriters craft messages that hit close to home, drawing from their own emotions, experience, and stories that will connect with people. For example, if a brand story is about resilience, a copywriter might tap into a theme like rising above challenges and find words that genuinely inspire. ChatGPT can't get teary eyed or feel inspired, so there's always going to be a gap there. Audience insight and tone. One thing human copywriters bring to the table is their understanding of a brand's specific audience. Let's say you are writing for a luxury brand versus a startup aimed at college students. The tone, the vocabulary, and even the structure of the copy would be totally different. Human writers can tailor messages to make readers feel, wow, this brand gets me. If I ask ChatGPT for a tagline for both of these audience, it can give me some good options, but it doesn't really get the audience on a personal level. Copywriting is not just about writing words. It's about knowing why those words matter in a certain context. A skilled copywriter can look at campaign's goal, think about the brand's long-term objectives, and then strategically choose words that align with all of that. They know when to emphasize certain points and when to go bold. ChatGPT can produce text, but it doesn't understand context and strategy. Here's where ChatGPT does great job. Now, let's not be too hard on ChatGPT. Sometimes when you are stuck, you can throw out a few prompts like ChatGPT give me 3 different headline ideas for an email campaign about sustainable packaging, or ChatGPT write a friendly product description for a new organic dog food, and it gives you some ideas to get your brain moving. So for repetitive tasks or generating variations quickly, It's fantastic. Imagine you are working on a last minute project with 10 different email subject lines to test. Instead of spending an hour brainstorming, ChatGPT can help you generate ideas in seconds. Then you take the best ones and fine tune them. So, where does this leave us? Is ChatGPT replacing human copywriters? Not at all. Copywriters have skills that go way beyond what AI can replicate: empathy, creativity, and strategic thinking. ChatGPT, on the other hand, is like a turbocharged tool that can make certain tasks faster, easier, and maybe even more fun. If you are a copywriter, don't stress about AI replacing you. Instead, look at it as a new tool that you can use to work faster and more efficiently. The best copywriters will be the ones who know how to blend human insights with AI power. So, what do you think? Is ChatGPT a friend or an enemy for copywriters? Let me know in the comments. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more. Thanks for watching, and remember, AI can help, but nothing beats the human touch.